Round home designs for every need. The home you live in is a reflection of the individual that you are. And yet home builders erect thousands of homes in a single neighborhood that all look the same. This is what we have become accustomed to, but it doesn't have to be this way everywhere. If you are looking for an energy-efficient alternative to the standard home design, you may be intrigued by the yurt. The yurt has been around for centuries, and is most well known as the cloth-sided portable dwelling used by nomads who traveled through steppes bounded by mountainous peaks in all 4 seasons of the year. The yurt dwelling is a round home that was developed to get these nomadic people through the harshest of conditions. Although portable, their dwellings kept them warm and also paid tribute to their strong belief in the sacredness of nature and spirit as a whole.